number bird, all with a couple siblings, one ran away. Now there are four little siblings belonging to number, but if one ran away and never came back, only two number bird siblings, only one. If one rolled away, there'll be one number sibling. If one ran away, there'll be guys, I'm curious. What's 1 minus 1? One way to find out. How many birds are standing on the wall? Right, minus 1 minus 1 goes 0. Whoa! How did you turn invisible, number? I'm 0. The hero. Cool, let's go somewhere else now. Okay, class, time to continue. On to the field trip. Yeah, field trip. You know, I only mouth and legs, I can still see y'all. And smell y'all. Well, number bird 0, Mr. 0. Yes, I can like you. Thanks. I could go through walls now. Ooh. But in between y'all. Wow. And I could also need some capability. Squawk, I'm number bird. Squawk. Stop for the number bird. Come on, guys, let's go or stop. Guys, why are we in a field trip? Oh, you know the meaning of being fancy? No, exactly. That's why teach you fancy. Yes. And it could also be the number bird too. My next final touch could be 2. 9 hours. You know what, guys? I love being fancy. I found my final touch. 4 plus 1 equals 5. I am 5. Wow, time to be fancy. Let's be fancy.